watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're showcasing 40 stunning modern farmhouse kitchen decor ideas that will inspire your next kitchen makeover. From shaker cabinets and white stone countertops to chic pendant lamps and wooden beams, these ideas will help you create a beautiful and functional space. Let's dive right in. Olive green shaker cabinets. Shaker cabinets in olive green highlight a farmhouse kitchen. A white tile backsplash and black fixtures add modern elements. Gold handles and knobs offer elegant details. Light stained shaker cabinets. An inviting farmhouse kitchen with light stained shaker-style cabinets, white stone countertops, a white backsplash, wooden stools, and a white kitchen island. Dove gray modern country kitchen. An inspiring dove gray modern country kitchen with shaker-style cabinets and white marble countertops. Gold touches add elegance, while ray tin stools offer a cozy, rustic feel. The combination is both stylish and inviting. Elegant light stained shaker cabinets. An elegant kitchen with light stained shaker-style cabinets, a white subway tile backsplash, and white stone countertops. Pale green shaker cabinets. An amazing pale green modern country kitchen featuring shaker cabinets and white subway tiles. Brass touches add extra elegance. The combination is both fresh and sophisticated. Stained cabinets and kitchen island. An airy modern farmhouse kitchen with stained cabinets and a kitchen island, white stone countertops, and pendant lamps. Dove gray shaker cabinets. Create an airy dove gray kitchen featuring shaker cabinets and a white subway tile backsplash. Use chic pendant lamps to enhance the overall design. Include white countertops for a fresh, bright space. White shaker cabinets. A white modern farmhouse kitchen with shaker cabinets, a white subway tile backsplash, a kitchen island, and woven stools. White shaker cabinets with soot table. A white modern farmhouse kitchen with shaker cabinets, a soot table, a kitchen island, pendant lamps, and wooden stools. Large kitchen island. A white modern farmhouse kitchen with shaker cabinets, a large kitchen island with storage space, a white tile backsplash, and pendant lamps. White plank cabinets. A white modern country kitchen features white plank cabinets and dark ceiling beams. Pendant lamps provide stylish lighting. Tall stools and shelves add functionality and charm. White and stained cabinets. A welcoming modern farmhouse kitchen with white and stained cabinets, white stone countertops, wooden beams, and a black cooker. Stained and white cabinets. A welcoming modern farmhouse kitchen with stained and white cabinets, a gray kitchen island and hood, and wooden beams. White cabinets and green backsplash. White cabinets and a green backsplash create a welcoming farmhouse kitchen. Stone countertops and a white island provide a fresh look. Ray tin stools and woven lamps add warmth. Two-tone cabinets. A two-tone modern farmhouse kitchen with white and gray cabinets, open shelves, white marble tiles, and metal stools. Teal beadboard backsplash. A teal modern farmhouse kitchen with a bedboard backsplash, white stone countertops, and a small dining set of wood. Chic tan kitchen. A chic tan kitchen features both regular and glass cabinets. A matching bedboard backsplash and white countertops complete the look. The space is both stylish and functional. Olive green fluted cabinets. An olive green farmhouse kitchen features fluted cabinets for style. White stone countertops and open shelves create a fresh feel. Brass and gold lamps add a touch of sophistication. Stained lower cabinets. A stylish modern farmhouse kitchen with stained lower cabinets, a large kitchen island, marble countertops, and a backsplash. Stained cabinets with white island. A stained modern farmhouse kitchen with a white kitchen island, tall wooden stools, and pendant lamps is cozy. We hope these modern farmhouse kitchen decor ideas inspire you to create a beautiful and functional space in your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.